So let us begin in a seated position. Bend your knees, lift your chest. Start to lean back and then lift your legs up one at a time into your boat pose variation. Inhale, release, lower down into a low boat. And then on your exhalation, come back up into a high boat. Try this a few rounds. Inhale to lower, exhale to lift. Inhale to lower, exhale to lift. And now allow yourself to cross your ankles, hands to the floor, bringing your feet on top of your hands, lift your hips up. Release your hips back down and find that series of low boat and your high boat, finding that connection of breath and movement. And then cross your ankles, bring your hands to the floor, slightly forward to the hips. Using your core strength to lift your hips away from the mat. Staying here for a breath or two, and then flow through your series of low and high boats. Smooth inhalations, smooth exhalations. And then across your ankles, bringing your hands down to your knees, sitting tall in a seated position, taking a few breaths, and try practicing this series a few more reps.